Tourism management is the planning, organizing of travel. Service is like hotel tours, even to make experiences for visitors. And it focuses on creating smooth, memorable trip while supporting locals, economics, and protecting cultural and natural attractions.
With a background in tourism management, the students can work in diverse areas, from managing hotels and resorts to coordinating tours and events, destination marketing. Virtually, students can work in any industry that works with people to create memorable experiences.
I choose this major because I like to connect with nature, environments, and I want to help the locals community.
Career Institute of Technology provide a quality education as well as they provide a internship program for students, because after they study a theory, they can practice with the real world, and then they can boost their hard skill and soft skill as well. And this institute have a great environment, like the natures around us, and we're living together in the dorm, so we can share experience and can learn from each other, and we can help each other as well. That's the reason why that I choose Career Institute of Technology.
KIT, we have developed a unique future-oriented curriculum that equips students with the skills and knowledge they need to thrive in the dynamic tourism industry. Our students also have an opportunity to learn from field trips, practical sessions at our Vikiriram Pine Resorts, internships, projects with our local communities, and study abroad programs with our international partner universities. In addition, we equip our students with transferable digital and business skills to help them thrive in a highly competitive global market. Join us to make a lasting impact through meaningful, sustainable experiences.